The science behind Wi-Fi. How does the invisible web work? Introduction. Imagine sitting in a cafe, airport, or your living room, effortlessly connecting your phone, laptop, or smart TV to the internet, all without a single wire. It feels so natural today that most of us hardly stop to ask, how does Wi-Fi actually work? Behind this invisible connection lies an extraordinary blend of physics, engineering, and computer science. Wi-Fi is more than just wireless internet. It's a carefully orchestrated symphony of radio waves, routers, encryption, and protocols that together keep billions of people connected every single day. In this documentary-style exploration, we'll dive deep into the science behind Wi-Fi, uncovering how signals travel through the air, how devices communicate with routers, the role of frequency bands, the evolution of Wi-Fi technology, and the future of wireless connectivity. So, let's peel back the invisible curtain of the web around us and see how Wi-Fi makes our modern world possible. 1. What exactly is Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi stands for Wireless Fidelity, a term coined in the late 1990s. It refers to a wireless networking technology that allows devices like smartphones, laptops, and tablets to connect to the internet using radio waves instead of physical cables. At its core, Wi-Fi is simply a method of sending and receiving data through radio frequencies. It works a lot like walkie-talkies or radio stations, but instead of transmitting voices, it transmits binary data, ones and zeros, that form the backbone of everything from YouTube videos to online banking transactions. 2. The physics of Wi-Fi, riding the radio wave. To understand Wi-Fi, you must first understand radio waves, a type of electromagnetic radiation. Radio waves are similar to visible light, but with much longer wavelengths, making them invisible to the human eye. Wi-Fi primarily uses two frequency bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. The 2.4 GHz band has a longer wavelength, meaning signals can travel farther and penetrate walls better. The 5 GHz band has shorter wavelengths, allowing faster data transfer, but over shorter distances. Think of 2.4 GHz as a long-distance truck and 5 GHz as a high-speed sports car. Depending on your needs, range, or speed, your router decides which lane to use. 3. The role of routers, Wi-Fi's traffic managers. At the heart of every Wi-Fi network is a router, a device that acts as a traffic cop. The router connects to the internet through a modem and then broadcasts signals wirelessly to devices around it. When you open a web page, your device sends a request to the router. The router passes that request to the internet. The website's server responds, and the data makes its way back through the router to your device. This all happens in milliseconds, allowing us to stream movies, join Zoom meetings, or scroll social media with no noticeable delay. 4. Wi-Fi standards. From 802.11b to Wi-Fi 7. Wi-Fi has evolved dramatically since its introduction in the late 1990s. Each new standard improves speed, efficiency, and reliability. 802.11b, 1999, the first widely adopted version, offering speeds of 11 megabits per second. 802.11g, 2003, boosted speeds to 54 megabits per second. 802.11n, 2009, introduced multiple antennas, MIMO, hitting 600 megabits per second. 802.11ac, 2013, popular today, reaching over 1 gigabit per second. Wi-Fi 6 and 6E, 2019 to 2021, designed for crowded networks with multiple devices, offering blazing fast speeds and low latency. Wi-Fi 7, coming soon, promises multi-gigabit speeds, reduced interference, and near-instant responsiveness. 5. Encryption and security, protecting the invisible. Since Wi-Fi transmits data through open air, security is critical. Without protection, hackers could intercept signals and steal information. That's why Wi-Fi networks use encryption standards like WEP, Wired Equivalent Privacy, the earliest but weak, WPA, and WPA2, Wi-Fi Protected Access, stronger, widely used, WPA3, current state-of-the-art encryption, protecting against brute force attacks. When you type a password into your Wi-Fi network, you're essentially locking the gate to your digital highway. 6. Wi-Fi and interference. Battling the invisible noise. One of Wi-Fi's biggest challenges is interference. Since 2.4 GHz is widely used, it often collides with signals from microwaves, cordless phones, and even baby monitors. That's why routers today use dual-band or tri-band systems, automatically shifting your device to a clearer channel. Engineers also developed beamforming, a technique where routers focus their signals directly toward your device rather than spreading them randomly. It's like shining a flashlight instead of a bare light bulb. 7. The speed factor. Why does Wi-Fi sometimes slow down? We've all experienced slow Wi-Fi, but why does it happen? Common reasons include too many devices connected at once, physical barriers like walls and floors, signal interference from other electronics, distance from the router. This is why mesh networks, systems of multiple routers working together, are becoming popular in homes. They ensure strong coverage across every room, eliminating dead zones. 8. Wi-Fi beyond the home. Public hotspots and free internet. From airports to coffee shops, Wi-Fi is everywhere. Public hotspots often use open networks, which are less secure but convenient. Cities like New York and San Francisco have even launched citywide Wi-Fi projects, aiming to make internet access a universal right. 9. Wi-Fi and the Internet of Things, IoT, a connected world. Wi-Fi isn't just for laptops and phones anymore. It powers smart homes, connecting devices like smart speakers, Alexa, Google Home, security cameras, smart fridges, wearable health trackers. As the Internet of Things, IoT, expands, Wi-Fi must handle billions of connected devices, making efficiency and low latency more important than ever. 10. The future of Wi-Fi, beyond 7 and into the unknown. Looking ahead, Wi-Fi will merge with technologies like Li-Fi, light-based wireless communication, 5G cellular, and even satellite internet systems like Starlink. Imagine ultra-fast, secure, and global wireless connectivity, where buffering videos and dropped calls become relics of the past. Conclusion: the invisible lifeline. Wi-Fi is more than just a convenience. It's a lifeline of the modern world. From education and healthcare to entertainment and global communication, Wi-Fi bridges distances and fuels progress. The next time you connect to your home router or log into a public hotspot, remember, behind those invisible waves lies an incredible story of science, innovation, and human ingenuity.